Are you looking for a reliable way to import your EML files into Lotus Notes NSF format? Welcome to WholeClear EML to NSF Converter. You can easily and securely transfer all your EML emails into NSF files, while preserving every folder, attachment, and structure with complete accuracy. Why choose WholeClear EML to NSF Converter? Batch conversion support. Import multiple EML files to NSF format in a single go. Preserve folder hierarchy, keeps your original mailbox structure intact. Full scan and preview, view all your emails before conversion for complete assurance. Fast and reliable tool, ensures a smooth, error-free, and efficient conversion process. Steps to transfer EML files and create Lotus Notes NSF files. Step 1. Launch WholeClear EML to NSF Converter. Step 2. Choose the EML format. Step 3. Select either folder mode or file mode and add your EML files. Step 4. Click Convert to Lotus Notes NSF file. Step 5. Choose the destination path using the Browse button and hit Convert now. Note: installation of Lotus Notes is mandatory for conversion. Easily transfer your EML files and create Lotus Notes NSF files in just a few steps, with guaranteed speed, safety, and precision. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.